best meal to clean out your arteries. A delicious and heart-healthy choice. Cardiovascular health is one of the most critical aspects of overall well-being. Keeping your arteries clear and your heart functioning optimally requires a combination of regular exercise, proper stress management, and, most importantly, a heart-healthy diet. If you're looking for the best meal to help clean out your arteries and improve your heart health, this article will walk you through the ideal ingredients and their benefits. The importance of arterial health. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from your heart to the rest of your body. Over time, poor diet, lack of exercise, and other lifestyle factors can lead to the buildup of plaque, a mixture of fat, cholesterol, calcium, and other substances inside the arteries. This condition, called atherosclerosis, can restrict blood flow and lead to heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular diseases. Luckily, a heart-healthy diet can help reduce plaque buildup, improve circulation, and protect your arteries. Components of the best meal to clean your arteries. The ideal meal combines a variety of nutrient-dense ingredients known for their artery-clearing properties. Here's what you need. 1. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, or sardines. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and decrease the risk of arterial plaque buildup. Aim to include a serving of baked or grilled salmon as the protein centerpiece of your meal. 2. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, or arugula. Leafy greens are high in nitrates and antioxidants that help improve blood vessel function and reduce arterial stiffness. A spinach and kale salad dressed with olive oil and lemon is an excellent choice. 3. Whole grains, quinoa or brown rice. Whole grains are a great source of dietary fiber, which can lower cholesterol levels and prevent plaque buildup. Quinoa, for example, provides essential nutrients like magnesium, which supports healthy blood pressure. 4. Avocado. Avocado is packed with monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce bad LDL cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol. A side of sliced avocado with a sprinkle of salt and lime juice pairs perfectly with the meal. 5. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, or flax seeds. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats, fiber, and plant-based omega-3s that are beneficial for heart health. Sprinkle a handful of walnuts or ground flax seeds over your salad for added crunch and nutrients. 6. Colorful vegetables, tomatoes, carrots, or bell peppers. These vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants like lycopene and beta-carotene, which combat inflammation and oxidative stress in the arteries. Roasting them with a drizzle of olive oil enhances their flavor and nutritional value. 7. Olive oil. Replace saturated fats with extra virgin olive oil, which is a key component of the Mediterranean diet. Its high content of polyphenol and monounsaturated fats helps protect your arteries. 8. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries. Berries are loaded with antioxidants and flavonoids that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting your blood vessels. Serve a small bowl of mixed berries as a refreshing dessert. A sample artery-clearing meal plan. Main course: grilled salmon with a quinoa and spinach salad topped with avocado slices, walnuts, and a lemon olive oil dressing. Side dish: roasted carrots and bell peppers seasoned with garlic and herbs. Dessert: a cup of mixed berries with a dollop of unsweetened Greek yogurt. Additional tips for arterial health. Stay hydrated. Drinking water supports circulation and helps flush toxins. Limit processed foods. Avoid trans fats, excessive sugar, and salt, which can contribute to plaque buildup. Exercise regularly. Physical activity enhances blood flow and supports overall heart health. A heart-healthy meal doesn't have to be bland or boring. By incorporating these nutrient-packed ingredients into your diet, you can enjoy a delicious meal while taking a proactive step toward cleaning your arteries and improving your cardiovascular health. Your journey to a healthier heart starts with one meal. Why not make it the best?